Hi everyone. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the RA-36. This is a truck mounted rack and it holds several different tools. As you can see on this side, we have the backpack blower rack, trim line rack, and beverage cooler rack. Let's take you around to the other side. This side holds trimmers, and this particular one, the RA-36, holds 2 trimmers. Now let me show you how it works. Okay, so we've gone ahead and installed the tools in the unit. As you can see, this side holds 2 weed whackers. We have them installed in the racks, and those racks are lockable. Let's go around to the other side and I'll show you the other tools that it holds. On this side, it can hold 3 different things. This is a 5-gallon water cooler. This can also hold a sprayer. This is a 5-pound trim line holder, and this could also hold 3-pound trim line spools. And this is a backpack blower. And that rack is also lockable.